Imagine you have a startup idea. Not just a small business, but something that could become the next Uber, Airbnb, or Flipkart. You go to a bank. They ask for collateral, profits, history. You have none. So how do billion-dollar startups get funded? The answer is venture capital financing. This is part 1, where we build the foundation. No complex math. No boring theory. Just clear concepts. 1. What is venture capital? Venture capital, or VC, is money invested in early-stage, high-growth companies. Instead of lending money like a bank, venture capitalists buy ownership in the startup. So remember this clearly. VC is not a loan. It is ownership financing. If the startup succeeds, gives the investor wins big. If the startup fails, gives the investor may lose everything. That's why VC is considered high risk, high reward. Simple example. You start a tech company. A VC firm invests 5 crore. In return, they take 20% ownership. They don't expect monthly interest. They expect the company to grow 10x, 50x, or even 100x too. Why startups need venture capital? Most startups burn cash before they make cash. They need money for product development, hiring skilled employees, marketing, and user growth, technology, and infrastructure. In early stages, startups usually have no profits, have no assets, have uncertain future. Banks hate uncertainty, but venture capitalists love uncertainty. Because uncertainty means potential explosion. VC funding allows startups to grow faster than competitors, focus on scale instead of survival, enter markets aggressively. Without VC, many unicorns would never exist. 3. Who are venture capitalists? Venture capitalists are professional investors who manage money on behalf of others. That money usually comes from wealthy individuals, pension funds, corporations, universities, governments. These investors put money into a VC fund. The VC firm then invests that money into multiple startups, knowing many will fail, a few will succeed. One big winner can cover all losses. This is called the portfolio approach. VCs don't just give money. They also provide business guidance, industry connections, strategic advice, credibility. That's why VC money is often called smart money. 4. Stages of venture capital financing. Venture capital doesn't come all at once. It comes in stages, based on startup growth. 1. Seed stage. This is the idea stage. Money is used for market research, building MVP, testing the idea. Risk is extremely high too. Early stage Series A. The product exists. Users are coming. Now the goal is scaling. VCs fund, team expansion, marketing, revenue growth. 3. Growth stage Series B and C. The business model is proven. Now it's about market domination, international expansion, acquisitions. At this stage, risk reduces, but investment size increases. 5. WHATVCs look for in startups. Venture capitalists don't invest in ideas alone. They mainly look for strong founding team, large market opportunity, scalable business model, competitive advantage, clear growth vision. A common VC saying is, we invest in people first, ideas second. Because ideas can change, but the right team can pivot and survive. This is part 2. This is where things get real and practical. 1. How venture capital deals work. When a VC invests in a startup, they don't just send money and disappear. A VC deal includes amount invested, percentage ownership, equity, rights and responsibilities, future funding conditions. Everything is written in a legal document called a term sheet. You don't need to understand legal language, but you should know. The term sheet decides power, control, and money. VCs often take a seat on the board, have voting rights, influence major decisions. This is why founders must be careful. Money always comes with conditions. 2. Equity and dilution explained simply. When you raise VC funding, you give away a portion of ownership. This is called equity dilution. Simple example. You own 100% of your startup. A VC invests and takes 20% equity. Now, you own 80%. VC owns 20%. Later, Another VC comes in. More equity is shared. Your percentage reduces, but ideally, the value of the company increases. So founders don't focus on how much percentage do I own? They focus on how big can this company become? Owning 10% of $1 billion company is better than owning 100% of nothing. 3. Control vs ownership. Many founders fear, will I lose control of my company? The answer is, it depends. VCs usually don't manage daily operations, but they approve major decisions. Control future funding rounds, influence strategy. If a founder raises too much VC money too early, they might lose decision-making power. That's why smart founders raise only what they need. Choose investors carefully, protect voting rights. VC funding is a partnership, not charity. For exit strategies, how VCs make money. VCs don't earn money through salary or interest. They earn money only when they exit. Common exit options. 1. IPO, initial public offering. The startup goes public. Shares are sold on the stock market. This is the biggest and rarest exit. 2. Acquisition. A bigger company buys the startup. Examples: Facebook buying Instagram, Google buying YouTube. This is the most common exit. 3. Secondary sale. VC sells shares to another investor. No exit equals no profit for VC. That's why VCs push for fast growth. 5. Advantages of venture capital financing. Benefits for startups: large amount of capital, faster growth and scaling, access to expertise and networks, increased credibility, better chances of global expansion. VC-backed startups can move faster and think bigger. 6. Disadvantages of venture capital financing. VC funding is not perfect. Drawbacks include loss of ownership, pressure for high growth, loss of full control, risk of founder replacement. Focus on exit over long-term stability. VCs want returns, not emotional attachment. 7. Is venture capital right for every business? Short answer: no. VC funding is suitable only if the market is large, the business is scalable, growth can be very fast. Small local businesses, restaurants, retail shops, service businesses usually do not need VC funding. VC is for startups aiming to become industry leaders. Venture capital financing can turn small ideas into global companies, create massive wealth, also destroy founder freedom if misused. It's powerful, but dangerous. Smart founders don't chase VC money. They chase problem solving and growth. VC money follows vision, not the other way around. If you enjoyed this breakdown of venture capital financing, like the video and subscribe for more simple finance content.